We're on a job site with one of our great customers showing you how versatile the Kubota KX040 is. Hey guys, welcome back. Wes Arnold here with First Choice Equipment with a great customer, Phil Bongi. Phil, how you doing this morning?
What's up, Wes?
He is the Vice President of Bongi Construction Corp. And we're highlighting a piece of equipment he purchased from us. It's the Kubota KX040 and its versatility. So where are we right now, Phil?
We're in Bensonville, right off the airport.
Okay, and what have you guys been doing with the 40?
We've been trenching in electric conduit for light pole bases, installing light pole bases, installing all the ComEd trench for the power for the buildings, and some night core sleeves also.
Right, so this machine has been versatile. It's got a lot of different uses.
Yes.
When you were talking about putting in those light pole bases, did you run an auger off of that as well?
We started using the auger, but the ground was too bad for it, so we ended up digging them all out. They're 6 feet deep into the ground. We bought 2 machines prior to these, smaller machines, and then we figured we needed bigger machines.
Right.
And then we bought 2 40s and a track loader.
Right, that's SVL 95, I believe.
SVL 95 Kubota, and we have an 80 also.
So you're operating those smaller machines. When did you know that it was time to maybe look at something larger?
When work picked up with our AT&T contacts, started doing bigger work and needed to dig deeper, lift heavier objects and whatnot, and then went from the 40s up to 80s when, you know, areas got bigger to work in and needed to excavate more.
Sure, that 18,000 pounds probably comes in handy.
Oh yeah.
This is easy! Easy over. What do you like best about that machine?
Easy to operate, easy to maintain, never really any downtime with it, pretty reliable.
Phil, you mentioned that this machine is always on the run, so that's not a lot of downtime. What does that mean for your business when we're talking about getting these machines moving and operating?
Well, I mean, when the machine is down, guys are standing around until they're fixed. So I mean, that's a lot of money, especially with all union people. Well over $100 an hour per guy. So if it's down for 2-3 hours for a whole crew, that adds up real fast.
So keeping those machines going, that helps your business out in the long
run.
run.
For sure, yeah.
Let's talk about the preventative maintenance. We know you keep your machines in good shape. Keeping them running is important. How has it been working with our parts and service department and keeping you guys flowing smoothly?
Oh, well, the relationship we have is great with First Choice and Ditch Witch. That's why we've stayed with you guys, besides the reliability. And I have a full-time mechanic who keeps the machines up and running with maintenance, oil changes, hydraulic oil changes. Matter of fact, on this machine, we just put 2 new tracks on there, and we do all of that in-house. Otherwise, it goes to service if it's something we can't handle.
Right. Well, we want to make sure that you're up and running, because when you're not running, you're not making money. Phil, I just want to thank you very much for joining me. I know you're a busy man. Doing 2 different things here at once, you know, that's
Yeah.
talented. I know you got to get back up to the front of the job, but I just want to say thank you again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.